Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Naggo Head Primary up against Lorna Otto Prep, both from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Now, earlier we had the toss and Lorna Otto Prep won and decided to send Naggo Head Primary first. Now, in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately, and they'll have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and in this section, it lasts for 4 minutes. So with that time on the clock, we begin with Naggo Head, Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Ezra?
Ruth.
Incorrect. Nehemiah. Lorna Otto, Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Ecclesiastes?
Songs of Solomon.
That's right. Science. Naggo Head, true or false? Fossil fuel is a renewable energy source.
False.
Correct. Science. Lorna Otto, true or false? Oxygen is a non-renewable energy source. Energy resource.
False.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Naggo Head, in which parish is the Hope Zoo?
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew is correct. Jamaican affairs. Lorna Otto, in which parish is the Rockfort Mineral Bath?
St. Thomas.
Incorrect. Kingston. English language. Naggo Head. What is the adjective in the following sentence? The workman lifted the heavy boxes at the site.
Heavy.
Heavy is correct. English language. Lorna Otto. What is the adjective in the following sentence? The teacher assigned the diligent students to do the project.
Diligent.
Correct. Television. Naggo Head, in the cartoons, which superhero does Lex Luthor try to destroy?
Superman.
Superman is right. Television. Lorna Otto. What is the name of the journalist who works for the Daily Planet newspaper and is said to be Superman's girlfriend?
Lois Lane.
Correct. General knowledge. Naggo Head. Which Caribbean country's national flag has a V shape with the combination of yellow, blue, and white representing the sun, sand, and sea?
St. Lucia.
Incorrect. Antigua and Barbuda. General knowledge. Lorna Otto. Which Caribbean country's national flag has the colors green, black, and red, plus the two white stars representing hope and liberty?
Barbados.
Incorrect. St. Kitts and Nevis. Social studies. Naggo Head. What is the flat area at the top of a mountain known as?
Plateau.
Correct. Social studies. Lorna Otto. What is the flat or low area between two highland areas known as?
Valley.
Correct. Naggo Head. Music. What is another name for the whole note?
Semi-brief.
Correct. Lorna Otto. Music. What is another name for the quarter note?
Crotchet.
Correct. Mathematics. Naggo Head. What is the product of 0.77 and 10,000?
7,700.
Correct. Mathematics. Lorna Otto. What is the product of 2.56 and 100,000?
So, 256,000.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Naggo Head. Name one of the Hebrew boys who were cast into a fiery furnace.
Abednego.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Lorna Otto. Name one of the sons of Noah.
Ham.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Naggo Head. Is the Senate the name of the upper or lower house of the Jamaican Parliament?
Upper house.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Lorna Otto. Is Gordon House home of Jamaica's Parliament, located in Kingston or Montego Bay?
Kingston.
Correct. Science. Naggo Head. What is located behind the pupil and allows light to pass through it?
Lens.
Correct. Science. Lorna Otto. Which structure first bend light rays entering the eye?
Cornea.
Correct. Sports. Naggo Head. Which English Premier League football team plays home matches at the Emirates Stadium? Incorrect. Arsenal. Sports. Lorna Otto. Which English Premier League football team plays home matches at the Old Trafford Stadium?
Manchester United.
And you is correct. Naggo Head. And that is the end of section 1. No time for any more questions. The scores are Naggo Head Primary on 10 points and Lorna Otto Prep also on 10, so it's a tie. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns right after these messages.